Hey guys, it's a long weekend, so I figured I'd record a video, finally, on an update of the system, and just do a walk test of all the detectors. But first, here in the laundry, I wanted to do a test with the smoke machine. So it's all warmed up, ready to go. I'm just going to close this door to the hallway, and I've got the panel plugged into the network, so I'm wirelessly connected to it. And I think my smoke machine's broken. Oh well, fix it a little bit. And eventually, once the smoke starts reaching the ceiling, I'll just loft it up there maybe. We should start seeing the alarm value decline. Good cat. There it goes. It's probably going to start blinking. It's taking its time, eh? There it goes, 51% alarm. There we go, now we're getting a lot of smoke. That'll definitely set it off. Oops, come on, blink. It's taking a concerning amount of smoke. There's my smoke machine sorted, just out. %3 of alarm with this much smoke in a day. Oh, there it goes. It's gone into alarm. Silence that. Now, there's no speaker in this room. Switch the smoke machine off and then we'll open this door and let it vent. So yeah, that finally set off after enough time. We'll just hear that alarm again. Might have gone into evac by now. There it goes. So it's gone into evac. What I'm just going to do, I'm going to isolate that. And then we're going to go into walk test. So, service menu, test menu, and then walk test. Let's do sounder walk test. Okay, so zone 2 and 1. So just a reminder, zone 2 is upstairs, zone 1 is downstairs. Alright, so chuck the magnet on there and hopefully it should go off, although it's not. That's interesting. Let's move on to another one. It should go off instantly. That one's going off. That should reset. This one's actually flashing for some reason. I don't know why, because it hasn't got any smoke in it and the magnet's not there yet, but chuck the magnet on it. There we go. And looks like I'm pulling the magnet off too quickly to let it go into alarm, but that's alright. Try this one again. Now this one's flashing, so hopefully it'll work. That's quite concerning actually. Weird. Oh well, go to the one in the last bedroom downstairs. let this one, I'll hold it on for long enough and it should go off. Oh, nothing. What are these doing? There it goes. Let's cancel this test. Okay, that's normal. I'm gonna hold it here. Let's just. This is device number 1, and it does give a defect when I take it out. You can see the detail. Garage is missing. Flip back. There it goes. It's initialized. Well, tell you what, this is a fail in my books. What I'm going to do is just see if it's rising at all. Right, so I'm holding the magnet on the detector. Let's see if it goes up at all. And absolutely nothing's happening. That's concerning. Let's click test and see if it'll light up. Yep. Oh, no. I think it's just this detector. Alright, so I might just have to end up replacing that detector in the garage, but anyway. We'll disregard that for now and we'll reset this laundry detector. So you can see it's still an alarm, so we'll go press OK and then we'll click reset. That's just gone off. We can unisolate it. Cool. Now we'll go menu, service menu, test menu, walk test, zone 2. And we'll do a sounder walk test. Sounder walk test requested. Test lights come on. Good to go. And I reckon I'll do a lounge one. Let's see, the flies love this detector. There it goes. Probably let off a bit early. Okay, now I've got to figure out where the magnet goes on this one. I think it's here. I think it's there. There it goes. See if I can hold it on for long enough for the alarms to go. They're not going. It's weird. I think I know why though. The reason the alarms aren't going is sounder walk test only turns on the bells. Yeah, it'll be gone by now. When I say bells, I mean the physical 24-volt bell output, so it doesn't activate the amplifiers. Thank you very much for watching. I know it didn't go quite to plan in the garage, but that's alright. It's good to know. I'm going to replace that detector. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Let's just